Yes, people, so I just came off the Kokwani trail here. Little too late because the big crossing just passed. So I decided to catch a small boat to go over the river because I never wait for the big crossing come back. So you know, call up this man. I'm rolling up my bike, go in the small boat. Yeah, bring the bike close. Man even give me a chance to help you for help put up the bike watch. Pick up the bike itself. Quick
You give
movements.
them a chance to help you there, boy.
In the back there now. Positioning myself now to hold the bike properly. Right, the man push off the boat. Yes, right in the boat here. He asked me if I go there. Yeah, everything's solid. It is quick spin. I never wait on top of the big one too. It's a good piece of while waiting. Anyways, time for go across the Barbies River. Yeah, so I have to speed up the video a little bit, you know what I mean? So you can see what's going on. Yeah, so there's the Barbies River. Right now the water a little high, so yeah, see, almost reached. Quick spin, one, quick spin. Bam. Cross over the river. Yeah.
You going back first? Yeah.
Ask him which side he taking out front. First. He said the back, so I saw the back. She telling me now, hold the bike, so you can leave the front and just pull it back. So, plow. Over the next shore. Run reach over there. Time for pay the dues, you know what I mean? $500 for the cross.
Yeah.
Collect back my change. Yeah, so thanks for watching.